Good day, all of you. In this video, we will talking about capitalization. When we say capitalization, it means that we will be writing the word with its first letter as an uppercase. But the correction is, when should we use capitalization? These are the things that we need to remember. Sentence start, proper nouns, titles, date and months, geographical names, historical event, regions, languages, first person pronoun, acronyms and initialism, formal documents. Sentence start. The first letter of the first word in a sentence should always be capitalized. Proper nouns. Capitalize the first letter of proper nouns, which are specific names of people, places, organizations, and titles. Titles. Capitalize the titles when they are used before a person's name. Titles of book, movies, and other significant words are also capitalized. Dates and months. Capitalize the name of days of week and months of the year. Geographical names. Capitalize names of countries, regions, states, cities, and landmarks. Historical event. Capitalize name of specific historical events or time periods. Regions. Capitalize the name of regions and their adherents. Languages. Capitalize the name of all languages. First person pronoun. Capitalize the first person singular pronoun I. Acronyms and initialism. Capitalize all letters in acronyms and initialism. Formal documents. In formal documents and headings, you may use a title case where the principal words are capitalized. This is an activity for you based on the capitalization. You can write the answers and upload the comment section. I will reply for each one by one. Thank you for watching. See you again.